So I just wanted to give you all an update. I don't know when this will be uploaded because my data is extremely slow.
I don't know.
But, so guys, we lost power, as you can tell. This is a flashlight I have going right now. And no, it's not hurting Whiskers because it's not in her eyes. She just keeps looking at it for some reason. I don't know. Anyway, there's Jam. But anyways, we lost power because of this snowstorm. Like, it's this bad that you can't even see outside. Oh, look at that. You can't see outside, guys. But yeah, so I'll keep you all posted, I guess. I don't know. And there's apparently a tree down on our road somewhere. We're not going out. I don't think we're gonna. Well, you know, probably not going to tonight. I don't know. But yeah, safe travels, guys, and stay safe. I don't know what this world is. What's happening, Whiskers? Whiskers doesn't even know. And Shade's been getting on this cat tree. He's been really strong. Whiskers! Hey, we don't treat people like that. That is not nice. But yeah. Respect your elders, Whiskers. That is your auntie. She's my first sister because she's actually not my cat. She's my mom's cat. And so was Smudgy. Smudgy wasn't my cat. So was Gorgeous. So, you know. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this stupid update video. Everyone here in the Nova Scotia, Canada area, stay safe. Safe travels. And yeah, hopefully it'll all be over soon. But anyway, I'll see you guys next video. Later.